Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and you have to have this beer before 420. So today we're going to be checking out one of Stone's Enjoy By series. This is their Enjoy By 42023. And this is their Hazy IPA version. Check this beer out. This beer comes in at a 9% ABV, a 0 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.96. We've been brewing the Stone Enjoy By IPA series as a celebration of those magical little green buds we call hops since 2012. Brewed to be enjoyed as blazing fresh as possible and to celebrate a date that's special to many because, well, you know. So take a rip, a sip, or whatever you like to call it, and experience the vibrant, glorious dankness that is this beer. All right, this is a beer I enjoy every year buying. The Enjoy By series in general, I always love. Also, what I do love is they are all a little different. They brew each one a little different every year. So every year can be better than the last or worse or whatever. But I love that experience of it's different. It's not like just, hey, we make the same beer every year and here's the release. No, it's tweaked. And it's tweaked enough to where you will probably notice. I enjoy that. So let's check this out. This is definitely a hazy looking beer. So this for Stone is hazy. I mean, I can't say that. This looks like haze. Head is khaki. I love it. Aromatics for dankiness are actually more sweet. It tastes more tropical notes, really. Mango, citrus, grapefruity is really what I get more. But let's dive into it. We never know, right? Cheers, y'all. Okay. Dankness. Not so much. Malt. It's an interesting malt balance. Hop. Well, that's interesting too. Everything about this beer is interesting. It's different. I get a little hop bubblegum stale bread. This is supposed to be enjoyed fresh, so I know it's fresh because it's not 420 yet. And they just released this. So this beer is less than 3 weeks old. So it's fresh. So that makes me think something's funky with the malt, maybe the yeast strain. I don't know which one they used. It's just off. I remember the 420 series being very juicy forward, dankiness forward, and this seems to be lacking in certain categories. Let me give it another try and see if I can dig some stuff out. Okay, so I know now Stone's not technically a craft brewery anymore, but I highly doubt that they're messing with the brewing process and the main brewers and how they're going to, make each beer every year. From my understanding, it's supposed to be the same process and the same people. No one really left, but this one I'm a little disappointed in. Now 9%, and this was like, I think 325, still a good beer. However, it's just, I don't know, it's missing that freshness to me. I'd like it, but I'm not overly exuberant about it. Okay, look, I know what I'm saying might sound very negative in all aspects, but actually there's some positive in it if you take a step back and look at it. What did I say at the beginning? I said I really enjoy the fact that they change the recipe up every time. So it's always something a little bit different. And you, if you're watching this video and subscribe to this channel or channels like this, you probably are one of those people that enjoy the craft beer experience and enjoy having different types of beers. And as large as Stone is, and now they got bought out and everything, are still experimenting with one of their name staple series? That's pretty awesome. Whether it's good or not, I still enjoy that aspect. I will still be like, oh, they're experimenting with different hops. They're experimenting with different malts, different yeasts. Now I know with the Enjoy By series, they release certain ones every year at the same time, but they're different every year. Now that I appreciate. As a home brewer and a reviewer and drinker and consumer, I enjoy the experimentation. They're broadening their aspects. They're not just sticking with, hey, we know this beer is same malt bills, same blah, blah, blah every year. They're pushing stuff. This works, this doesn't work. Who knows? But I enjoy that experience. And this is going to teach Stone and you as the consumer what you like, what you don't like. That I appreciate. Now, if that sounds good to you and you want to extend your palate as a craft beer drinker, I still think Stone's Enjoy By series, and especially the 420, is worth trying because it's not horrible. It really isn't horrible. It's just different from last year's. And that's what I love about it. So go, honestly, check it out. I really would. And any other beer that might be different throughout the series or have a weird label, a weird ingredient in it, try it. You never know what happens. That blend of flavors might be magnificent. So, cheers to you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links will be at the very bottom of the description. I do all sorts of crazy stuff with beer. I might be expanding soon. I don't know. But you gotta like and subscribe to find out. Do you enjoy Stone's Enjoy By? Will you buy any more of Stone now that it's no longer craft? That's something I would like to know. Hit me up in the comments below. See you guys.